I love you because you always seem to see the best in me, even when it isn't easy to see. I promise to be faithful, always work harder to be a better man, and most importantly, to love you forever.
I've never been one to believe in fate or to believe that things happen for a reason, but I do believe we were meant to meet. We came into each other's lives in what may seem like the worst timing, but I quickly learned that with the right person, it's always going to be the right time. Thank you for reminding me to never take myself too seriously. I don't think anyone has ever made me laugh the way you do, and I'm someone who laughs at my own jokes before I can even get them out. You are the brightest light, and I'm so grateful to be spending the rest of my life with you.
If you miss me sometimes, know that tomorrow.
I couldn't be more excited to call you my wife. I knew from the first time I saw you that there was something special about you. You've made me see my future in such a way I never thought was possible, and I'm so excited for what's to come. I love how you always put others before yourself without hesitation, are always so caring and compassionate, always support me even if you disagree with me, and are extremely loyal. I have no doubts that I've chosen the right woman to spend the rest of my life with.
These are the hands that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you two promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. As you, Layne, Skylar, Black, Hardin, and Marisse Layne, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you kiss your lovely bride.
Want us to figure out that we don't need a thing but this right here and now.
Only once in your life you meet someone who completely turns your world around. Life seems different, exciting, and worthwhile. You tell them things that you've never shared with another, and they absorb everything you say and want to hear more. You share hopes for the future, dreams that may not come true, goals achieved, and the challenges that life may throw at you. You share wholeheartedly your emotions with this person, and you know that you can be yourself around them because they love you for exactly who you are. There's a quiet calmness when they're around, and you feel at ease and content just knowing that they're nearby. Little things like song lyrics, a moment in time, that seem insignificant to most people become invaluable treasures to keep in your hearts forever. You think of this person on every occasion and in everything that you do. You open your heart to experience a love and joy that you never dreamt possible. You find strength in knowing you have a true friend, a soulmate, and loyal to the very end. Marriage is a commitment to life, joining two people who complement, encourage, and grow together. When you meet Marisse and Layne, their easy smiles and loving connection are beyond obvious. You two are definitely off to a fun, adventurous, and happy future together.